All right, so now that we have set it up our scene, let's add an HDR. So to add an HDR, press here, change this to shader editor. Now change this from object to world. And right here, click on background and press Ctrl T. So already we have two familiar nodes and a new one, which is called an environment texture. So this is where we add our HDRI, and this is where we can see the look and feel in our render preview of the same light source that's going to come from that HDR. So right now, if I click on render preview, it's all pink, and that's the way of Blender telling you that you don't have any textures here. So to add a texture, just go to HDR Haven, so we can download one HDR. And already I have downloaded the 8K one, so if your computer cannot withhold that huge information, just download the low resolution ones. So now I'm just going to go to open and go to the folder where I have my HDR. So Blender course, HDR, and I'm going to add it. And right now, if I move the rotation on the Z-axis, already you can see how the lighting affects the scene. So now I'm going to change this to a position that I might like. So 0.15, like so. So now that we have set it up, our HDR, let's move on to adding a volumetric fog.